Hi, good day all. This is Asa from Mint Trinkets, and thank you very much for joining me. For today's episode, we are going to be making this cute envelope clutch with a nice strap that you can put on. And inside it, we have our stationery from our last episode and the envelope that we had using tissue paper and foam. This used here is a paper bag, a white paper bag that gives this really beautiful finish. It's really quick and really easy. As always, stay with me and let's get started. Over here I have two white popcorn bags, and I'm just going to spread some glue. And stick it together. Press it down with the bone folder. And now we're just going to take a scissors and cut off the foldable part of our popcorn bag. Just make an even cut. Now we're going to fold over the top. Fold this in half and just cut around the corner. Fold the two edges together and cut a rounded corner, holding both edges together so we can ensure our rounded corner is even. Now we're just going to take a piece of decorative scrapbook paper, and this is the decorative one that I use in the cottagecore. And this is our fold, so we're going to place it where we want it. And just to draw out the curve. Because this is an extra that we are going to cut off. We're just going to do one edge of our paper. And now we're just going to stick it. Place some glue. Press it down with a bone folder. Now do the same for the top. Place your glue. Stick it down. Press it with your bone folder. Seal the edges by pressing it down with your bone folder. And now we're just going to add a bow in the center of our purse. This will be the strap for our envelope purse. This is our finished clutch, and we can add whatever we wish in our clutch. And this is the stationery sheets that we made in our last episode. This is the fern envelope that we made using tissue paper, and this is the actual real fern from the garden. And whatever little trinkets that you want, perfect for your journaling, junk journal, envelope, storage, really cute project idea. And I hope you have enjoyed today's episode. It was really quick and really easy. Thank you very much for joining me.